Hi everyone, my name is Anders. I'm a technical sales engineer here at ZoomCharts, and in this video I'm going to show you how to add the license key and hash into the appropriate fields. So when you go under the formatting options, you have this setting called the licensing settings, and there you have the license key field and the license hash field. The license key and hash can actually be found under your ZoomCharts account, so let's quickly do that and log in. So let's go to zoomcharts.com. Open up the advanced visuals, sign into your account, already have the credentials entered. So once you log in, here you can see the license key and the license hash. Now, instead of highlighting the key and right-clicking and doing the copy motion, what I suggest you to do is use these buttons right here. So the copy license key and copy license hash. So let's do that right now. So let's press copy license key, open up the report, click in the license key field, and then with a Ctrl-V combination, paste in the key. Now let's go back to the website, copy the license hash, go back to report, and paste it in the license hash. There you go, the visual is activated. Now, if you add a new visual to the report canvas, so let's quickly do that. Each time you add a new visual to the report canvas, you need to activate it first. So let's add in a region, a category field, and a value field. And as you can see here under the formatting options, the paid features are off. And as soon as they're turned off, you have to again add the license key and hash. Now, there are a few things that you can do to avoid this. One of them is you can copy and paste the visuals within the report and actually across reports. So to do that, you need to click on the container of the visual. So let's hover over it, and here you can see the line. Click on the line, press Ctrl-C to copy it, and Ctrl-V to paste it in. And as you can see, right now we have two identical donut charts. Now, the great thing about it is that the formatting options are also copied. So the license key and hash is copied. This is useful also if you want to transition to a different chart. So just by activating that container, clicking on a new visual icon, it's going to convert the visual, but the license settings for this one is going to be still saved. Okay, so that's one of the ways on how you can avoid this hassle of re-entering the key and hash again and again. The other way is by downloading our pre-built custom theme, which already has your license credentials already stored within it. So in order to do that, let's go back to the website. So your account, and right here in the address bar, you add download $theme. It's going to initiate the download. You're going to download the JSON file, which then afterwards can be imported as a custom theme within Power BI. So let's do that as well. Open up Power BI reports. Now click on the switch theme, import theme. Let's go into the download latest ones and apply the theme. So what this does, it actually stores the license key and hash in the report level. And the great thing about this is that every time, for example, when you add a new visual, you no longer have to add the license key and hash. So just by adding it, let's add another donut. So sales channel, total profit by it. And if I open up the formatting options, you can see here that the paid mode is enabled by default, and the license key and hash is already stored within it. For those of you who have already pre-built custom themes or organizational themes, please reach out to us and we'll help you update the theme so it has your license settings within it. All right, thanks for the attention, guys. And if you have any questions regarding this, don't hesitate to reach out to our support team or customer service. And I'll see you in the next video.